Hello dear viewers, let's talk about the concept of atomic mass. Atomic mass of an element is the mass of an atom or atoms of that element. This is expressed in the units of either AMU, that's atomic mass unit, or grams per mole. For example, mass of carbon atom is equal to 12, which if expressed in the units of AMU, then it would represent mass of one atom of carbon. However, if it is expressed in the units of grams per mole, then it would represent mass of Avogadro's number of atoms of carbon, that is the mass of 6.023 into 10 raised power 23 atoms. Now, how much is actually this AMU, that's atomic mass unit? Before that, I must tell you that atomic mass is actually a relative term. We always find atomic mass of any element with respect to some standard element. And the element which is considered as standard is the mass of an atom of carbon 12, that's taken as 12 units. So keeping that thing into consideration, AMU is defined as AMU is equal to actual mass of carbon atom in grams divided by 12. Since the actual mass of carbon atom in grams is 1.99 into 10 raised power minus 23, therefore AMU will be equal to 1.99 into 10 raised power minus 23 divided by 12. This gives us AMU equal to 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24 grams. Now let's have an illustration. Atomic mass of calcium is equal to 40 grams per mole. So I have expressed the atomic mass of calcium in the units of grams per mole, which clearly indicates that it is the mass of Avogadro's number of atoms. So I can write 6.023 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of calcium will have mass equal to 40 grams. This implies one atom of calcium will have mass equal to 40 divided by Avogadro's number, and that comes out to be equal to 40 into 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24 grams. Since we know 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24 grams represents 1 AMU, so which gives us 40 AMU. Thus, whether the atomic mass, that's actually the relative atomic mass, is expressed in AMU or gram per mole units, magnitude will remain same. As you see above, atomic mass of calcium is equal to 40 grams per mole. It's also equal to 40 AMU. But the meaning differs. If we write the atomic mass of calcium as 40 AMU, which indicates mass of one atom of calcium. However, if we express it in the units of 40 grams per mole, it is the mass of Avogadro's number of atoms. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much.